How do you distinguish between areas like Venezuela versus actual value and the risk-taking that you want to take for EM?
No, absolutely. I mean, at the end of the day, listen, we need to have a reading on the fundamentals. And the problem with Venezuela right now is that it's extremely difficult to get a handle on what's going on. I've given up completely on trying to figure out the politics. What I do know is that there's a moment of crisis at this point. The economics, the social situation that is going on, the political crisis going on is intractable, unsustainable. How does it play out? I have no idea. What I do know is that at this point, the regime seems to be outmaneuvering the opposition, and its ability to stay in power despite this incredibly problematic situation is unbelievable and remarkable. In that situation, with them running out of resources to pay the debt, the question becomes, at what point do they stop servicing the indebtedness? I mean, this is a country that is close to starvation. Imports are down by 50%. For now, they seem to be able to figure out a way continuously to find the dollars to pay the debt. I don't know for how much longer.
Because if you add on potential U.S. sanctions to that, I mean, if you give up any potential for Venezuela to export any oil that they can and go to the U.S., that's going to be just devastating for the country. So where are we on the default scale?
I mean, listen, this is the perfect storm. I mean, the sanctions, lower oil prices, the complete collapse in economic activity, massive amounts of capital flight. We can't be too far from that point. And on top of it, you have to sort of keep in mind, this is a country also that has enormous amounts of debt and will have to borrow a lot to reconstruct after the new regime.